Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find cheap flights in Esky. So the first thing you like to do is to head over to your Esky web application, launch that. I'm here. And the first thing I'm going to walk you through the process of how to get in here. In the first place, launch your browser. Once you launch in the browser of your choice, head over to the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type esky.com.ng, and that's going to take you to the official website for Esky. Once you get right in there, it's going to take you to, of course, the official website. And once you get right in there, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the login option. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen step-by-step processes to sign in. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right here into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Esky. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to find cheap flights in Esky. Let's get right into it. Now from this homepage, you're going to find right here at the top corner of your screen, cheap flights, stays, cars, deals, insurance, attractions, transfers, mobile app, airlines, airport, more. So go ahead and click on cheap flights because, of course, that's the essence of this tutorial. Now we're here, book cheap flights and save money. 3 million tickets sold, 950 airlines, 950 rather, and then we have 3,038 airports, 18 years of experience. Whoa! So what you're gonna do right here is, of course, you have all of these options. First off, let me just walk you through this process. Number one, how do you find cheap flights, easily? Number one, you have to plan in advance. It means 6 or even 4 months before you're supposed to take off. You're gonna have to plan in advance. You have to book the flight. All right, so early booking is the trick. Then you have you can also get your different time, the specific times that you can find cheap flights, either in the middle of the week or early mornings or even late night. Why? Because most people are not active during those times or during those hours. And the next thing is you have to follow low-cost airlines in the social media platforms to check when exactly they will be doing a discount on your flight, which of course is a cheap flight thingy that we're looking for, right? So once you're done, it says book cheap flights and save money. So right here now we're in this category and you have considered all of these 3 factors. Now you like to head over here to select the flights that you want, either round trip, one way, or multi-city. Now go ahead and check the city that you're departing from. Let's say this, and I'm flying to this. Then you have to head over to departure date. Check your departure date. Let's say 21st and returning on the 23rd. Passenger, you're gonna have to put this in just one. If you want multiple, if you're going with many people, not just you, can go ahead and use this plus icon to increase the number or just decrease it to 1. And then youth, of course, put that in. If you're going with children, put that in. If you're going with infants, put that in, and then head over to apply. Now once you head over to apply, you're gonna see a host of features or a host of flights waiting for you. So I've clicked on the search bar. All right. We activate discounts, we add flights, and oh, awesome. So let's see the flights that are available. So here we have recommended. All right, you have recommended, you have cheapest, we have fastest. Okay, so here you go. So scroll the way down to find the one that is, is expensive for you or that's cheap for you. Okay, so we have the category recommended, we have fastest here, and then full ticket price. So this is full, fastest. All right, so you just keep scrolling all the way down until you find the one that is cheap. Let's click on that cheapest. All right. So right here, cheapest, you can go ahead and click on this for fastest or recommended. So we're in cheapest. So here you have all the cheap flights available for you. Just scroll the way down and find, just locate anyone that you want, and you can of course head over here and click on number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 to check more and more. But this is pretty much how you can find cheap flights in Esky. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you, sir.